How to transfer money from Western Union to a bank account. The first things first, before you will execute the transfer, make sure that the specific bank you're transferring the money to is already fully verified and is operatable. Now, first thing you want to do is you can either use the Western Union application from your phone or from their website. Now, don't forget to log into your account, and then there you can go ahead and check the rates first before you can start and do the transfer. Now, a specific country might vary. They can or you can go ahead and choose for around 200 plus countries or territories online or in store. Now, just have to double check on how much is the specific fee that you will be paying first, aside from the money that you'll be transferring. Send money online, available for pickup in 5 minutes. So since this is a bank transfer, then all you have to do is just to have a screenshot of the receipt, and then you just have to wait for the receiver to get the fund. And that's how you transfer money from Western Union to a bank account.